as we
For
zoom
your
a little bit
protection,
closer
move
to
to
this
an
region so
interior
you
room
can
on
get
the
an
lowest
idea
floor of a building.
of exactly.
Running water, we have a sink, we have a sink, we have a toilet, we got a TV, we got comfy chairs. It's not too creepy.
I think that the rug is dry, but
I'll
leave it up because
totally.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Will County in northeastern Illinois, Kankakee County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 10:15 p.m. At 9:01 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Oswego to 6 miles southeast of Newark to near Marseilles, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Aurora, Joliet, Naperville, Bolingbrook, Orland Park, Tinley Park, Romeoville, Plainfield, Calumet City, Woodridge, Chicago Heights, Lansing, Oak Forest, Kankakee, Harvey, Lockport, New Lenox, Palmer Glen, Blue Island, Dalton, Park Forest, Homewood, Alsip, Madison, and Mokina. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 1 a.m. for central, northeastern, and east central Illinois.